Wondering whether it's the right time to buy or sell Zomedica stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Zomedica. We initially published a report on our website on Monday, November 6, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay in the loop and make sure you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Zomedica as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has exceeded our expectations, delivering a gain of 7.1% since we first recommended buying Zomedica just 3 days ago. This means the stock has been generating an average return of 2.37% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we are currently uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could swing either way. Based on the current 3-month trend, it seems like there could be a potential decrease of around 16.22% in the next 3 months. This means that the return could range from -34.36% to -16.22%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible decrease of about 19.49% over the next year. The potential return could range from -54.54% to 3.50%. In terms of price, this would translate to a range of $0.0864 to $0.197 after 1 year. Our latest update for Zomedica brings a significant headline: weaker technical forecast for Zomedica as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The Zomedica stock price showed a 2.76% gain on the last trading day, Monday, November 6, 2023, increasing from $0.185 to $0.190. This marks its third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward momentum continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $0.186 and a high of $0.196, representing a 5.11% range. The price has been fluctuating during this period, with a 14.52% gain over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume decreased by -2 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $772,000. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $0.335, while the lowest price was $0.150. Currently, the price is 43.25%, or $0.145, below the 52-week high, and 93.62%, or $2.79, below the all-time high on June 22, 2018, when it reached $2.98. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 6, 2023, Dawson James upgraded ZOM with a buy grade and initiated action. On Monday, November 16, 2020, H.C. Wainwright gave ZOM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Zomedica stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the P/E ratio to be a good opportunity to buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also recommended as a buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have a neutral rating for this stock. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Zomedica. The Zomedica stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is likely to find support at $0.171 and $0.168. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 25.23% increase so far. The stock is expected to rise further until a new top pivot is reached. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been observed, which may have an impact on the short-term development of the stock. During the last trading day, volume decreased while the price increased. This creates a divergence and could be seen as an early warning, but it's not definitive. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots also show a buy signal, which occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy, and this signal was generated 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal that was observed 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal that was observed 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 2 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and analyze the signals. Based on the short moving average, a buy signal was observed 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal, which was observed 2 days ago. When we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was generated 57 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Zomedica. Zomedica has found strong support at $0.185, which presents an interesting buying opportunity. When this support level is tested, we can expect an upward reaction in the stock price. However, it's important to note that low or falling volume can increase the risk associated with this stock. In terms of price movement, Zomedica has displayed average daily fluctuations. On the last trading day, the stock moved between its high and low points by $0.0095, representing a 5.11% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.85%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Zomedica, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is essential as it compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. Established companies can go through down periods due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 13, 2023. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Zomedica. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Zomedica is at $0.193. For those who don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if we experience a downward movement, Zomedica will encounter its first support level at $0.185. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with potential anticipation of a rebound. Zomedica's combined average rating from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On May 26, 2023, Heaton Larry C2 made an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On May 25, 2023, Powers Johnny D made an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On March 16, 2023, Donato Peter made an insider buy of 5 million shares of option to buy common stock. On March 16, 2023, Donato Peter made an insider buy of 0 shares. On December 9, 2022, Powers Johnny D made an insider buy of 1,465,727 shares of options to buy common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 77.998. Overall, insiders purchased 94,937,495 shares and sold 11,022,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $0.184, which represents a decrease of 3.24%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is Zomedica stock a good buy? While Zomedica holds several positive signals, we believe they may not be enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, it should be seen as a hold candidate, meaning you should hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further development. Although there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Zomedica is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 7th, we expect Zomedica to open up $0.0004 and start trading at $0.191. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you successful trading and have a wonderful day.